I read BBC News every single day, and I find phrases that textbooks never teach. We're looking at a BBC News article from this week. It is about the World Health Organization, WHO, and an Ebola outbreak in Africa. Don't worry, we will go slow. We will learn 10 useful phrases from this article. Each phrase we hear, understand it, and we will say it together. So, let's begin. Our first phrase is declares. Say it with me. Declares, declares, declares. Declares means to say something officially. When an organization declares something, they announce it, meaning they say it or tell it to the world. The article says WHO declares Ebola outbreak a global health emergency. That means the World Health Organization officially announced it. Now repeat after me. Declares. One more time. Declares. Very good. Our second phrase from the article is outbreak. Good. Say it with me. Outbreak. Outbreak. Good. One more time. Outbreak. Outbreak means a sudden start of something bad, usually a disease or violence. It starts very quickly and it spreads quickly. The article says WHO declares Ebola outbreak a global health emergency. The outbreak is the sudden start of the Ebola disease. So once again, repeat with me. Outbreak. One more time. Outbreak. Very good. Our third phrase is emergency. Repeat it with me. Emergency. Emergency. One more time. Emergency. So what is emergency? Emergency means a serious, sometimes dangerous situation that needs immediate action. We use this word every day in English. Listen, a global health emergency. A serious health problem that the whole world must act on. All right? For example, call 999 in an emergency, or call the police or the ambulance when something dangerous happens. Repeat. Emergency. One more time. Emergency. Very good. Our fourth word is criteria. Say it with me. Criteria. One more time. Criteria. What is criteria? Criteria means the standards or rules used to make a decision. The article says the outbreak doesn't meet the criteria of a pandemic emergency, which means that it doesn't match the rules of a pandemic emergency. So the outbreak doesn't meet the criteria. It means it doesn't match the required standards. Repeat with me. Criteria. One more time. Criteria. Very good. Now let's have a quick quiz. I say the meaning of the word and you'll have to find out which word it is. Ready? Good. Let's start with the first one. To announce something officially. What's the word? Very good. Declares. Excellent. Let's go to the second. A sudden start of a disease. What's the word? Outbreak. Well done. So let's keep going. Okay, have some pause there. Our fifth word from the article is pandemic. Say it with me. Pandemic. Pandemic. So what is a pandemic? Pandemic means a disease that spreads across many countries of the whole world very quickly. Do you remember COVID? That was a very, very terrible pandemic. The article says the outbreak doesn't meet the criteria of a pandemic emergency. So it's serious, but it hasn't spread across the world yet. Repeat with me. Pandemic. One more time. Pandemic. Very good. Our sixth phrase comes from a different BBC article. It is fair. Repeat with me. Fair. One more time. Fair. Fair means right, reasonable, or just. When something is fair, it is not cheating. It is honest. The article says Ukraine's president says the strikes are a fair response That means he believes the response is right and justified. Sometimes you could hear this expression, it is not fair, meaning it is not right. Okay? Good. And sometimes you could hear, we need a fair decision. That means we need an honest, reasonable decision. So repeat with me. Fair. One more time. Fair. Very good. If this lesson is helping you, you should hit the like button. It really helps other learners find this video. Okay, so back to the lesson. Our seventh phrase is under fire. Repeat with me. Under fire. One more time. Under fire. Under fire means being criticized or attacked, not with guns, but with words. When a politician is under fire, people are angry at them. The article says, Democratic governor under fire over clemency. That means the governor is being criticized for her decision. Another example could be, the company is under fire for polluting the river. That means people are criticizing the company. So repeat with me, under fire. One more time, under fire. Our eighth phrase is called backed. Say it with me, backed. One more time, backed. Backed means to be supported. When someone is backed by a powerful person, that person supports them. Good. So the article says, Trump-backed challenger defeats Republican senator. That means the challenger was supported by President Donald Trump. Another example could be, the project is backed by the government. That means the government supports the project. So repeat with me, backed. One more time, backed. Very good. Our ninth phrase is highlights. Repeat with me, highlights. Good. One more time, highlights. So, what are highlights? Highlights mean the most important or the most interesting parts. We use this word all the time in English. So, for example, the article says, the report highlights 2 cases of espionage. That means the report focused or focuses on the most important cases. Another example could be, can you give me the highlights? Meaning, could you tell me the most important parts? Usually in a project or an important task. Okay? Another example could be, the highlights of the match were incredible. That means the best moments of the game. So repeat with me, highlights. Highlights. One more time, highlights. Our 10th word is stands at. Repeat with me, stands at. One more time, stands at. So, what do we mean by that? Stand at means the current number or level of something. It's a very common phrase in British English. The article says the outbreak stands at around 246 cases and 80 deaths. That means the current number is 246 cases and 80 deaths. Another example could be, unemployment stands at 5%. That means the number of people without a job is at 5%. Another example, the temperature stands at 30 degrees. That means the temperature right now is 30 degrees. So repeat with me, stands at. One more time, stands at. Very good. Final quiz. Let's see if you remember what I've taught you so far. Ready? Number 1, being criticized by people. What is this phrase? Good. Under fire. Excellent. Second example, the most important parts. So what's that word? Highlights. Very good. Today we read a real BBC News article. We learned 10 phrases that British people use in the news and in their daily life. Let's say them together one more time. Repeat with me. Declares. Very good. Outbreak. Emergency. Criteria. Pandemic. Fair. Under fire. Backed. Highlights. And finally, stands at. Very good. Now, this is your homework. Which phrase was completely new for you? Write it in the comments section. Just one word. That is your practice for today. See you in the next lesson. Take care. Cheers.